Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about the Nothing Phone 2, leaks and the rumors. So let's get started. So basically guys, the Nothing Phone 2 clearly beats the Phone 2A when we talk about performance. The result is unsurprising considering the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 is a superior chipset in comparison to the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro. So guys, if you are on a budget and looking for a value for money smartphone priced under rupees 25,000, the Nothing Phone 2A is a compelling choice. The Nothing phone is also significantly more stable under stress and can maintain its maximum performance for a longer duration compared to the Phone 2. So the Nothing phone is an impressive smartphone considering its price. It offers good performance, the same set of rear cameras as Nothing phone, unique design, great battery backup, and a stock Android experience with the Nothing OS 2.5. So guys, that's it for the today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.